you for watching. Here we go. We are at the Dunwoody Nature Preserve, and I am anxious, Max is anxious, Tina's anxious to go for a hike on this beautiful day in January in Atlanta. So let's head right this way, and we're going to take a look at this. At the Dunwoody Nature Preserve, this is really, really nice. This is a whole area down here. We're gonna walk on down here, take a look, and then we're gonna get on the trail. So let's take a look at this down here. A fireplace here. Max, are you ready? Are we going hiking? Let's go hiking. All right, that's cool. Little. Oh, here's a little learning center. We're going to get on the trail right here. We have the kids' playground over to the right. And let's head right this way. Kids' playground, look at that. Look at those. Beautiful. These are all honeybees, and they're making honey. Well, just wanted to take you on a short hike out here at Dunwoody. It's the Dunwoody Nature Center. And I really enjoyed this. This was a real pleasant surprise. It was beautiful. The trail is about a half a mile. Not a big one, it's easy. No big deal. And you'll have a blast. Bring the kids. Playground looks fantastic. and just enjoy yourself. Get out and get out in nature. It's a beautiful day here in Atlanta. Thank you for watching. Here we go, and I'll see you next time.